So I just purchased this upgrade kit for the Corsair Capellix, and I'm having an issue where it does not want to stay on. It just comes right off, right? The problem is right there, this is touching the frame of the bracket. It will not go on. Therefore, it doesn't read and it crashes unless I hold it like this, and then it'll work. So if I turn it on now, I'll show you guys. There'll be an error, probably, I'm pretty sure. Push it on, it works. Take it off. Let's see, it's doing that again. And when I take it off, it doesn't want to work. So I don't know what's going on with this thing. I'm gonna try trimming it and seeing if that works.